You have been also moved out of the state now. What is the idea then?
So basically, what we are doing now. See, there are a lot of people from Maharashtra and Karnataka on the streets of Goa. So we cannot take them into our shelter homes because there is a food problem, there is a language problem, culture problem. There are many issues, but they cannot live on the street anymore. So looking at our past experience where this is not working systematically in our shelter homes, we have open homes in Maharashtra, ladies and gents, where people from Maharashtra can be rehabilitated in our homes free of cost. But the state government from here has to move them into our homes. We will not take them in. That is a separate unit. This is a separate unit. So if the government wants to address beggars, homeless, vagabonds on the streets of Goa, we are ready to provide that service also. But we will not take them in our shelter homes in Goa because it's not working the way. See, when you bring these guys, they don't do any work. They don't cooperate. One they get all right, they want to go back to the street. Again, after 6 months, you'll find them again asking for help. So it is eating up resources. Whereas once they reach the respective state, it is that local administration problem to see how to repatriate them back. Otherwise, you'll have full beds in GMC, you'll have full beds in district hospital, you'll have IPHP crowded. So how will the Goans get the treatment? People keep telling me you are looking after migrants, but I am not looking after migrants. 80%, 70% of people in my homes are Goans. Whatever is there, I cannot throw them out. There are genuine people who cannot be thrown out. But we have 2 homes now. One home ready in Sawantwadi for ladies. In Kankauli, it will be ready 1st of November. January or February, we have 2 homes coming up in Belgaum and Karwar for ladies and gents. So this is the way repatriation is done. This is the way that people should be got off the street. We have given today application about this concept to Women and Child Department, to Social Welfare Department and to PWD Department, Person with Disability Department. Next week, we will give a letter to CM, Honorable CM, saying that this is the facility our NGO is giving you for solving the problem of beggars on the street in Goa. Now you need to use your administration to see that they are brought into the notice of that administration. It is not pick up from here and take there, no. It is pick up and route through a system so that tomorrow if he comes back to the street, he should be put in jail. You cannot allow people to sit. You will have murders, you will have rapes, robberies. See the robberies on the street because they are hungry. So we keep blaming everybody. We have always been giving solutions to government. It has not been well accepted because of various reasons. But now see, exposition will come. If we are expecting 1 crore people, 10 million people to visit Goa, you see, have they made provision for beggars? Have they made provision for homeless people? Have they made provision for people who are going to do pickpocketing? They have not made. We are making for the government. We are saying when we are working with you, you should extend that support to us, especially in the Department of Women and Child. Okay, we are at 40%. That is okay. CM will sort it out. But if you don't send these people back to their states, what happens? You have a crisis in Goa. Everybody is blaming everybody. Nobody is coming to the solution. So we have come to the solution on our own initiative of putting up our own shelter homes in Karnataka and Maharashtra. We also have shelter home in Jharkhand for men. So Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, West Bengal and Jharkhand, these homeless people should be sent there, men. This is a state problem, states
Dispute.
Yeah, they should make arrangements to send these people to our home. We will look after. But we cannot take them from here and go there. Because if while transit, we take them and something goes wrong, who is responsible? Then you will blame, see, he is doing this trafficking. It is the state problem to bring them from here with the authority and put them in our shelter. So